Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by equipping the paintbrush and checking durability. Make sure it reads above 50% so you avoid mid-swing breaks. Next, select your target, enemy, ally, or ground, then press and hold the primary paint input to begin the stroke. Choose the mode: attack for damage, buff for status, or terrain to alter the map. Each mode changes timing and range. Once engaged, watch the brush meter. Release on the peak for a critical paint hit that applies the chosen effect. Once you've landed basic strokes, chain 2 to 4 hits to fill the color meter. This unlocks stronger paints and special effects. As you paint, use directional inputs to arc or curve strokes. This controls spread and can hit multiple enemies. Combine strokes with a quick dodge to maintain spacing and avoid interrupting the meter. When the color meter is full, trigger the special paint by pressing the special button plus a direction. That consumes the meter and delivers amplified results. Timing here is everything. To finish, execute a charged smear. Hold the paint input longer for increased range and guaranteed effect. Make sure to repair or swap the paintbrush if durability drops below 30%. Broken brushes interrupt combos. If your paint doesn't apply, first confirm you're in the correct mode and that the color meter registered the stroke. Also check target immunities or active resistances. If problems persist, re-equip the brush and reinitiate the meter sequence. Often a reset clears sync issues and restores normal paint behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.